Hello guys, I'm Edward Trembovetsky and Negotiation in a Minute. It is well known that face-to-face meetings offer invaluable verbal and non-verbal cues, such as eye contact, body language, tone of voice, that facilitate understanding between partners. Currently, the COVID-19 pandemic reduced considerably face-to-face meetings, but in this case, deal-making is still possible. And today, I will give you some guidelines how to negotiate in a time of social distance. First of all, consider the likely scope of the deal. In China, the first nation gripped by COVID-19, most companies postponed large IPOs until negotiators would be able to safely travel to meet investors in person. Yet, smaller IPOs have been able to move forward through internet roadshows, which allow companies to pitch investors at a distance. If in-person relationship building and due diligence are required, you will probably delay complex talks, but with some creativity, smaller deals are certainly feasible at a distance. Just reach out to current and potential partners to figure out if you can help each other get through these tough times by doing business together. Secondly, I advise you to toggle between different communication media. Even when working from home, negotiators have a decent array of media at their disposal, including phone calls, conference calls, video conferencing, emails, and texts. Early in an online negotiation, you may be focused on building rapport and assessing the other party's interest in doing a deal. If so, a video conference will offer ample verbal and non-verbal cues. Later in the process, emails and file sharing applications may be best for exchanging detailed proposals and collaborating on documents. If you have a quick idea to share, make use of WhatsApp chat, for example. And remember, throughout your negotiation, keep the tool best suited to the present task. And thirdly, give your counterparts the benefit of the doubt. In this time of instability and big concern, in addition to lack of verbal and visual cues, emails and text can be easily misunderstood. If counterparts go silent, don't assume they are flaky or ignoring you just to gain an edge. Instead, check in to inquire if they and their loved ones are well and ask if there is anything they need. Keeping our shared humanity top of mind, you can help build trust, connection, and a more durable agreement. In the end, I would like to call you upon being more collaborative. Remember, even when we are on opposite sides of the virtual negotiation table, we are all in this together. Be ethical, be kind, and be safe. Just remember these simple recommendations. I'm Edward Trembovetsky. This is Negotiation in a Minute. See you.